Welcome back. Union Forest Ministry has approved clearances for Goa's coal block operations at Chattisgarh. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says that government is expecting power supply from the project this October. Cabinet has also raised relief to the electricity linemen from 2 to 5 lakhs. Cabinet has also approved a scheme to lease out its unused premises to the non-religious organizations working for a social cause.
जे आमकां कोल ब्लॉक पळय रायगड डिस्ट्रिक्टाक चंदी हाका मेळ्ळा डायवर्शन करपाक जे फॉरेस्ट क्लियरन्स जाय आसले थोडीशी एरिया फॉरेस्टांतली आशिल्ली ते आमकां ग्रांट जाल्ले आसा मीनवायल वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोसेसींग द PPA एग्रीमेंट विथ द JV and maybe we'll be able to get some power by next month. We are working on it. Pre ताका खूब कॉम्प्लिकेशन आसा दिसता इतलें सोंपो गजाल ना ती अभिमन्यू जसो त्या चक्रव्यूहान घुसता आसतना ताका फूल नॉलेज नासल्या मुळे त्रासान पडलो पळय तसो म्हाका पडपाचो ना इन्क्रीज द एक्स ग्रेशिया पेमेंट टू लायन स्टाफ इदर ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ऑन रेग्युलर बेजीस 2 लाख आशिल्ले ते 5 लाख रुपयांनी टुडे अप्रूव्ड वन स्कीम टू प्रोवायड गव्हर्मेंट लँड अँड अनयुज्ड गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डिंग्स टू रजिस्टर कल्चरल सोशल एज्युकेशनल and sports institutes besides other institutions which are formed under various laws of the central or state government.
It's a ray of hope for barge owners with central ministry declaring 4 nautical miles as inland waterways. New circular allows barges to transport cargo materials within state through inland waterways. Barges can be used for trade between 2 states. Union Shipping Ministry has empowered state government to take the decision.
Ministry of External Affairs under Maritime Zonal Act has declared 4 nautical miles as inland waterways. Under Section 341 of Merchant Shipping Act, state government has passed to take decision to allow the barges to transport from one state to another and within the state also. According to new circular, there is no need of permission of Director General of Shipping.
Anything operating within this 4 nautical miles is now declared as inland waterway, straight away. Okay. Now this declaration has to be done by the central government, which they have done. Now, as per the new circular, we do not have to register the vessels under Merchant Shipping Act. There is option for us. So now state government has the authority to decide which barges which are fit enough to go and make a trade across the other states.
Goa government with Indian Centre for Ocean Information Services has carried out study of wave height. Government can apply to increase inland waterways up to 12 nautical miles. This will help barges to get relief especially during mining ban. There is need of small modification of barges if they are allowed to travel outside the state.
Now since that is declared, a barge can be utilized to get rail from Chennai to Vasco. So far the limit is only 4 nautical miles. Now the government of Goa has already carried out a study up to 12 nautical miles. What is the wave height? So now as per this study, state government can apply to the central government and increase the inland water limits even to up to 12 nautical miles.
Captain of Ports has prepared the report with INCORS and has sent it to the Central Ministry to increase the capacity of inland waterways. Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Police constable attached to Madgaon police station's Robert Van Paresh Govind Kerkar was suspended on Wednesday. He is booked for forging land documents at Davuli and cheating to the tune of lakhs of rupees.
Paresh Govind Kerkar, police constable attached to Margaon police station's Robert Van, has been suspended by Goa police on Wednesday. Margaon police has booked Kerkar for forging land documents, involvement in forgery of power of attorney, accepting protection money of over 10 lakhs, for defaming Goa police, threatening complainant, forging ID cards for purpose for forgery. Earlier on 16 February, Sylvester Niaso had filed a complaint with Margaon police for allegedly forging power of attorney in his name against Manoj Okhlekar, Vilas Naik, Advocate Nitin Sawant, Saifuddin Sheikh and Anant Volvoikar. Out of this, Manoj Okhlekar is in police custody. During the course of investigation, name of Constable Paresh Kerkar came to the fore. Sources say that Paresh also has links with Shailesh Fatte, who has been booked earlier in robbery cases. Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.